The Fourth Row of Pascal's Triangle by Amanda Patton. This is Pascal's triangle. As we learned in class, it starts with 1 and goes on so forth. The row that we're concerned with for this application is the fourth row, which is outlined in purple. So the numbers 1, 4, 10, 20, 35, etc. are used in tetrahedral numbers. A tetrahedral is a shape with 4 sides, all of the vertices are an equal distance apart, and a triangular number is used as its base. For example, if the first layer has a 3, which would be the triangular number, the second layer has a 1, which would equal 4, which is one of the numbers from our row of Pascal's triangle. Maybe it'll make more sense if we look at a table. So, if you were creating a tetrahedral with a height of 1, you would use only 1 dot, which would also result in only 1. But if you had a height of 2, your triangular base would be 3 with 1 on top of it, which would result in a tetrahedral number of 4, and so on down the chart. So, for example, if you had the tetrahedral shape with a height of 3, you would have 3 layers of marbles. So, if you used 6 marbles as your base, highlighted in blue, your next layer would only have 3 marbles, which is represented in yellow, and your top layer would only have 1, which is the purple marble. Add these 3 numbers together, 6, 3, and 1, which equals 10. So if we look back at our table, a height of 3 results with a number of 10 for your tetrahedral number. The formula that you can use to find the tetrahedral number is 1/6 n times n plus 1 times n plus 2. So, back to our example of a height of 3, you would use 3 for n, so it would be 1/6 times 3 plus 1 times 3 plus 2, which would equal 1/6 times 3 times 4 times 5, which would be 60 over 6, which would be 10. 10 is the number on Pascal's triangle in row 4. So another example you could use is a height of 5. So it'd be 1/6 5, 5 plus 1, 5 plus 2, which would then be 1/6 times 5 times 6 times 7, which would be 210 over 6, which would equal 35. So if we look back at Pascal's triangle, we have 10, which we used in our first example, which is the third one down for a height of 3. And then if we went to the height of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it would equal 35. Thank you.